Every few days, a new AI headline takes over the internet. AI is replacing everyone. AI will make humans obsolete. AI will solve every problem. Some people are terrified. Others believe AI is the answer to everything. But what if both sides are selling you the wrong story? What if the biggest AI lie isn't about what AI can do, but about what it means for your future? In this documentary, we'll separate fear from reality, hype from truth, and explore why your future depends far less on artificial intelligence than you may have been led to believe. The two stories everyone is selling. If you've spent time online recently, you've probably noticed something. Almost every conversation about AI falls into one of two extremes. The first says AI will replace everyone. The second says AI will solve everything. Fear. Or hype. Very little in between. Why? Because extreme opinions spread faster than balanced ones. Fear captures attention. Hope captures attention. Nuance rarely does. But reality has always been more complicated than headlines. The loudest voices aren't always the most accurate. Why we believe extreme predictions. Human beings are wired to notice danger. It's one of the reasons negative headlines spread so quickly. If someone tells you AI will take your job tomorrow, your brain pays attention. Not because it's true, but because your mind is designed to protect you. The same thing happens with unrealistic optimism. AI will make you rich overnight. That captures attention too. Both stories promise certainty. But the future rarely works that way. Technology doesn't usually change the world overnight. It changes it gradually. Then suddenly. The future is rarely as simple as fear, or as easy as hype. What AI is actually changing? AI is changing the way we work. The way we learn. The way businesses operate. The way software is built. The way ideas become reality. Those changes are real. Some jobs will evolve. Some tasks will disappear. New opportunities will emerge. That's how every major technological revolution has unfolded. The printing press. Electricity. The internet. Artificial intelligence is following the same pattern. The question isn't whether change is coming. The question is whether you're preparing for it. Technology changes opportunities. Preparation determines who benefits. The real lie. Here's the lie hiding beneath all the headlines. That your future has already been decided. It hasn't. AI isn't making decisions about your life. You are. Every day you choose whether to learn. Whether to adapt. Whether to ignore change. Whether to build something new. Technology creates possibilities. People decide what to do with them. The greatest risk isn't artificial intelligence. It's believing you've already lost before the future even arrives. Your mindset will shape your future long before AI does. The opportunity hidden in the noise. Every technological revolution creates confusion. And confusion creates opportunity. While some people spend their time arguing about whether AI is good or bad, others are quietly learning how to use it. They're building businesses. Improving their productivity. Learning new skills. Solving problems that weren't possible just a few years ago. History shows something interesting. The biggest winners during times of change usually aren't the people who predict the future perfectly. They're the people who adapt the fastest. The greatest opportunities often hide behind the greatest uncertainty. The skill that matters most. Every week, a new AI tool goes viral. People rush to learn it. A few months later, another one replaces it. If your value depends on one tool, your future depends on someone else's update. But there are skills that every technological revolution has rewarded. Learning quickly. Thinking critically. Solving meaningful problems. Communicating ideas. Making sound decisions. Technology changes. These skills don't. The people who thrive in the AI era won't necessarily know every AI tool. They'll know how to learn whatever comes next. Your greatest advantage isn't mastering AI. It's mastering the ability to adapt. Choose your future carefully. Let's return to the question we started with. What's the most dangerous AI lie? It's the belief that your future has already been decided. That AI has already chosen who wins, and who loses. History tells a different story. Every generation has faced a technology that changed the rules. The internet. Smartphones. Cloud computing. And now, artificial intelligence. The people who succeeded weren't always the smartest. They were the ones willing to grow with the change. Perhaps the future doesn't belong to those who fear AI. Or those who worship it. Perhaps it belongs to those who understand it, and use it wisely. Your future won't be decided by artificial intelligence. It will be decided by the decisions you make because of it. Artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful technologies humanity has ever created. It deserves thoughtful conversations. Not panic. Not blind optimism. Fear may get clicks. Hype may get attention. But neither will prepare you for the future. Understanding will. So the next time you hear someone confidently predicting exactly what AI will do, remember this. The future has never been shaped by predictions alone. It's been shaped by people who are willing to learn, adapt, and build. If you enjoy documentaries that help you think clearly about technology instead of simply reacting to it, consider subscribing to Web Oracle. That's exactly what we're building here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.